We're going away for the weekend. Yet we still bring 4 crates of stuff, including clothes, our coats and towels. Can't forget our food and booze. And of course, all my vlogging gear. Well, we finally arrived at our campsite, and it is called Stroud Hill Park campsite in Cambridgeshire. So this weekend we're going to be meeting up with Alex from TTXELA. But it is now late. It is come up to 9 o'clock, and we're tucking into our curry. So we're going to eat this, and well, it's dark outside, so I can't show you around until tomorrow. So we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. And what a morning it is. It's very bright and sunny, as you can see. Just a couple of things. First of all, because we pitched up last night and it was dark, we kind of we've been the campsite is quite slopey already, but we're on a bit of a tilt kind of slope. When we slept last night, I ended up right in the corner of the bed there. Because I was kind of...
Yeah, I know it.
And it's so I need to repitch. Is there such a thing as well? I don't know. Also, we're cleaning the tanks out. We're using their facilities here, so the showers and the washing up facilities and all that kind of thing. Because we're cleaning the tanks out, and then once we're done with that, we'll dump the water here as well, because we're fully service pitch. You see, so we're going to go and do some washing up. We'll show you where that is. We'll take a look around and show you the facilities. That is Alex's camper. So Alex from TTXELA is here.
You'll get that right.
Let's get on with the day. We'll show you around the campsite and do the washing up. Well, this is the main facility block. We have reception just over there. That is the restaurant bar called, I think it was the Barn. And just round there is the entrance. We can see people coming in and out of the toilet facilities. And just through there is where Zoe's just gone, through there. Yeah, so there's the restaurant, and Zoe's gone in here to do the washing up. Oh, and there she is.
She's using 2 sinks. She's a bit naughty.
2 Sink Zoe, they call her.
Yeah.
Now, of course, if you've seen Posh Cat's camping video, they don't show you this bit.
Well, it's not exactly exciting, is it?
Sorry, Trev and Sue. Stop. Now we've levelled out, well, as best as we could get on the site. The step into the cab here is a bit high. Gravel on a sloping campsite is not a good idea, I think. No, we're not perfectly level, but it's better than it was. Now the ultimate test is a kitchen roll. That's all right, isn't it? So we have now re-pitched, I suppose you could call it. There's Alex's van. We were just in that spot there just a moment ago. But from up here, you've got a nice view of the campsite. There's the block over there, the restaurant and the reception area. Pretty sight, isn't it? So the campsite is on a hill, but at the top of the hill is this fishing lake. And with the right light, it looks absolutely beautiful. Right, so there is the lake, and if we spin round, you can see the campsite from up here. There's Herman and Alex's van, and yeah, we just pan over. It's quite a good view from up here. So after levelling Herman, we went for a cycle ride with Nikki and Alex. We ended up having a cup of coffee and some cake at Johnson's of Old Hurst. Now Johnson's of Old Hurst is kind of a zoo, I suppose. They have a puma and a bear here, but it's very difficult to film them because they're in very large enclosures with meshing and stuff, so the camera wouldn't be able to pick them up properly. Then we went into the tropical house with crocodiles and snakes, all that kind of thing. Very interesting. And now we're on a woodland walk. Oh, that cracked.
It did, didn't it? Gosh, you've done really well making that.
I have. I
You've
just knocked
really
this up quickly.
spent hours.
Yeah.
This is Alex's new motorhome.
Yeah. This is hovel life. I'm going to now.
Alex the Hermit, they call him.
I think we should all fit in.
Oh.
No?
Let's see if we can get
Yeah, Ads is coming in.
Ads is coming in.
You could have made the roof a bit higher.
Well, the materials cost money. You know?
Yeah, that's right, yeah. This is a lovely tree. Look at this lovely tree here. Except it has an ornament on it. You don't want to go up higher? Why have I said that?
Don't say that. I've no idea how I'm going to get down.
You're not going to be climbing?
I'll do it tomorrow.
Oh, okay. All right. Are we coming back tomorrow? Are we? All right. Okay. Right. As you can see, we are back at the campsite with Herman, and before we left Johnson's of Old Hurst, we had a look at their farm shop. Very impressive farm shop. Very large and with lots and lots of different products, from ciders and wines to meats and cheeses and kind of thing. We had to buy something though, and we ended up buying some of their sausages. Now their meat is bred and butchered on site. So the sausages we bought were pork and apple and Cromwell. Apparently very popular Cromwell sausages, so we thought we'd have a butcher's at those. We're gonna have some drinks here, and later on we've booked a table at the Barn restaurant, so we'll see what that is like. Right, so this is the barn, and there's the bar there. There's plenty of seating around, but we've managed to get ourselves on the top level here in the rafters of the barn. We've ordered, got our drinks. Do we wave? Cups of tea and wine and beer.
Glasses of wine.
So that's the view we've got from the top here. View of the campsite. We're hoping for a decent sunset as well. Not only do they have these lights along the bottom here, can you see those sparkly lights? And they're on the rafters, but they've also got still got the Christmas decos up. Look, they got snowflakes there. And just behind our table is a reindeer. Well, what do you think of that? This is their house burger, with some chips and some homemade slaw and whatever this was. Onion ring on top. Look at that.
That's a big onion.
Zoe has got the same because we can't decide which. You know, we always have the same.
Yeah.
We always have to have the same.
Have the same.
Yeah, we always have the same. Alex has got chips, peas and scampi. Was that homemade scampi?
It was homemade scampi, yes.
Herman Fest t-shirt. And swordfish and rice. Oh, that looks good.
Chili.
And chili. Oh, that looks good. Right, we're going to tuck into that, and we're going to see you in a second. Good morning, everybody. We had a fantastic time at the restaurant last night. Really good food. We all enjoyed it. Now, today, Sunday, another glorious day. We've moved all the water from our fresh tank to our grey tank, and we had that all, you know, with the fluid in there and whatever, cleaning the grey tank out. So now we need to empty the grey tank. We've bought this. This is Collapse. You've probably seen this before. It's a flexible waste pipe kit, and you get a number of these tubes here which you can join together, and you can expand them out like that, and yeah, you can join them up together to make one long pipe. We also have this adapter here. Now this goes over the the outlet pipe, and you're supposed to cut this down to the right length, and then you simply connect it to that. My problem with this is that this part here is very narrow compared to our outlet pipe. So I'm just worried that with the force of all that water in the tank, it's just going to blow this off. But we'll see. Right, that's on. Open the tap up. Well, that's working. There you go. Right, in the kit you also get this brush. Don't know if we're going to be using that, to be honest. And the bag to put all the pipes in. So while the grey tank is emptying, just thought I'd mention what we've got planned for the next few months. So we've got a lot planned, haven't we?
Yeah, well, mainly weekends away, isn't
Yeah.
it? We've booked sort of some Fridays off. Mainly events, isn't it? So we've got
going to a few shows.
yes, the Overland show.
Yeah, Peterborough.
The Camp Creator.
Yeah, we're going to meet up with Posh Cats Camping. Of
Yeah.
course, we've got Herman Fest and Rob and Lynn on tour. We're meeting up with them at their event. So from now
it's
until
gonna be
June,
so busy.
I think we've got only a couple of spare weekends.
Oh my goodness.
July, not June, July.
We're not great fans of August, are we? July and August.
No, July and August are pretty
Empty.
empty, except for there's one date in July, I think. But all the other months are all fully booked. And then, of course, in September, we might have mentioned it before,
2 weeks.
we're going away. Well, we haven't decided. I think it's going to be Scotland myself, but I think it's either Scotland or continuing around the West Coast, Wild Atlantic Way, the Wild Atlantic Way in Ireland. So stick around for those. Now, we've had a bit of a drama, haven't we? Yeah. So leaving the restaurant last night.
With a little bit of alcohol in us.
Yeah, I kind of missed the step myself.
Yes.
And I almost tumbled. Well, I did tumble out, I suppose. But you did roly-poly and everything. What did you do?
Some sort. Yes, I saw the step, went over the step, but as
You decided to ignore it.
and then there was another kind of ridge bit, wasn't there? And then yes, I
Get
kind
to the
of
point though.
I don't know. It was all a blur.
It was
I can't
all a
remember.
blur, but you
Yeah,
fell over, didn't you?
I ended up on the floor.
Oh jeez.
I know, and landing on my knee a bit, and I've got a bit of a bruise on my shin, and I thought, oh.
Look.
And then I was asked, was I all right? Oh yeah, I'm fine. You know,
But you're getting to the age now where
you're going to be rude.
I'm going to get my own back here. You're getting to the age now where you've got to be careful of what you're doing.
Exactly.
Yeah, no falling over,
No.
because just a little trip could end up
So
in
I'm
hospital.
never going to be the same again, am I?
No. So who's the old age pensioner now?
Well, I'm the oldest, aren't I? But yeah, so it's just a little bit achy this morning, but nothing broken.
So if I do that, does it hurt?
I thought you were going to do that then.
So,
moral of the story
as
is...
you can, just a side note, I had my hair cut the other day. I don't know if you can see. Did a terrible job.
And this bit is longer than that bit.
This side's longer than... However, that's not the... So when I was leaving, he said, how old are you? Now, I haven't been asked how old I am since, I don't know, must have been
15.
18 at a pub, right? So to be asked how old am I think, oh no, I know what's going on then. He was
But
looking
you
in the
missed
mirror,
the
looking in the window for the prices. They normally have the prices. And of course, he was looking for the old age pensioner prices because he thought I was older than Zoe.
No, but the thing was, you kind of got really cheeky bugger sort of thing.
Oh yeah, he was,
but you should have said yes, I am, and you might have got it half price.
Oh, that's not me though. So I think
that's the end.
I think that's the end of this
Step
video.
2.
So if you did enjoy it, then give us a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing if you haven't. Until next time, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye, folks.
Bye. Bye bye.